I reckon it's something started that, hasn't it? Like, something they've not thought, you know what I mean? Like I say, I was filming, shame on everyone else filming, so I started filming. It's not that's going to blow bigger. I can't hear a siren.
Yeah, that's how I find it, mate.
Do you think it thinks it's bait and water they don't need to deal with? Oh, it's been insurance job then, probably known it then. That's why it's small. Yeah. Hey!
Sound like the Fabio, sounds like the police.
Yeah, they're always here first, aren't they? Coppers. Wow. That is out of this world. Honestly, I'm still ready to dive at any second, aren't I? Honestly. I didn't know they pulled that other boat that way.
The heat will be tremendous now.
Yeah, no, but saying if I'd have thought, I feel like an animal. I know, but you could have done it 10 minutes ago. Honestly. Do you think it's worth saving? No, I don't know. Shit, I feel bad for not running around for this stuff, but could have easily saved that boat. I feel like a savage filming it now after that. I'm going to have to stop, I think. Oh shit, I feel terrible. I feel bad. Could have easily saved that. I thought someone else would be doing it. Must be insurance job, or else they'd have got that way. There's all them big boats behind it. Oh, I was here now at fire engine at that time.
The boats on this side here, Blackpool, and they'll melt all into it and
That's what I mean. I wonder who owns all the boats nearby. I think he's ready to shift his in case. Red House coming over, no? Or is that Zeus? That's not going to do a lot for that, you would think. Would you just at least stop it? Why, is that him with his hose?
It's the fireman, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I love this one. She had a foot in plaster, wasn't she? God's or hated it because she couldn't get downstairs and couldn't see over to here.
Jesus H. That's horrid.
It is, but I can't be, it must be purposeful, because it must have been on purpose. Someone's plans go into order, that's all I can say. I feel really bad for not letting it round and pulling that other boat that way.